Do you usually eat lunch with your coworkers?
Do you know how to have a natural conversation during a lunch break?
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about a lunch break at work.
You'll learn useful English expressions for talking about food, work, hobbies, and weekend plans.
Let's get started. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Thank you so much for watching and supporting our channel.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment.
Today's lesson is about having lunch at work.
Let's practice English together. Hi, it's finally lunchtime.
Yes, I've been waiting for this all morning.
Me too. Are you hungry?
Very hungry.
Would you like to have lunch together?
I'd love to.
Let's go to the company cafeteria.
Great idea.
It's usually less crowded at this time.
Perfect. Let's go.
There are many choices today.
I see chicken, fish, rice, noodles, and salad.
What are you going to order?
I'll have grilled chicken with rice.
That looks delicious.
What about you?
I'll try the beef noodles.
Would you like a drink?
Yes, I'll have iced tea.
I'll get orange juice.
Let's find a table.
There's one by the window.
How's your day going?
It's been busy, but everything is going well.
I'm glad to hear that.
How about you?
I had 2 meetings this morning.
That sounds tiring.
A little, but they went well.
That's good.
Are you working on any interesting projects?
Yes, I'm helping with a new marketing project.
That sounds exciting.
I'm learning a lot.
Your lunch looks delicious.
Thank you. It's one of my favorite meals.
Do you usually bring lunch from home?
Sometimes, but today I wanted to eat at the cafeteria.
I understand. What do you think of your noodles?
They're very tasty.
That's great. Next time, I'll try the chicken.
You should. It's really good.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
I'm thinking about going hiking.
That sounds fun.
How about you?
I'm going to visit my parents.
I'm sure they'll be happy to see you.
I hope so.
Family time is always important.
I agree.
Do you have any goals for this month?
Yes, I want to improve my English.
That's a great goal.
I'm practicing every day.
Keep it up.
Thank you.
You're doing a great job.
That means a lot.
We can practice together during lunch breaks.
I really like that. Our lunch break is almost over.
Time goes by so quickly.
Let's get back to work.
Sure. Have a great afternoon.
You too.
See you tomorrow at lunch.
See you. Great job listening to today's conversation.
We hope you learned useful English expressions for talking during a lunch break at work.
Practice listening and speaking English every day.
Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment.
Question of the day.
What do you usually eat for lunch at work or school?
Tell us your answer in the comments below.
Thank you for learning with Everyday English Learning. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.